Enhance your product pages by adding extra fields effortlessly with the following instructions. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EAN. Click Extra Fields. Go to Extra Fields options. Read the description carefully. Set total extra fields. Select the number 5. Set extra field number 1. Set extra field number 2. Go to All Products tab. Click Inventory tab. Click extra field number 1. Enter test into the field. Click Update. Click Save Changes. Thanks for watching this video.